Hey guys, so in this video, I'm telling you how to install a smoke detector to your DSC Neo. 2 smoke detectors to be exact. So, here at my joint 1, this is my joint detector. So you're gonna want your, so I'm going by proper security wire. Greens go on your C here. I like to use your greens for common because in my opinion it's just easier to tell. Yellow for the yellow for NO. Both yellows on these ones. Green, all greens go on this one. All yellows go on this one. This one is for your black, which I like to use as negative. This is power coming in. This is power coming in from the panel. This is power going to the next smoke detector. So, I'm gonna try and help you get a closer look at that. You see both 2 greens going into there, both yellows, both blacks going into there, a bit hard to see. And you see 2 separate reds. This one's from the main panel and this one's going out to the other smoke. And I will show you what it should look like on the main panel. So here's my main panel. I have this here for testing. So you're gonna want your yellow to go to your zones, which should be Z and then number. And then your green to go to the COM. 2 wires should go in the same COM. And then with that red and black, you want to go all the way over to the end here. Should be located next to this AC where you have your main stuff ran into. It says auxiliary plus and negative. Red is the plus, black is that negative. And that's from that panel there. That goes up to that smoke there. I have it run out and up to the smoke here. Now, since this is my last smoke on this line, you want to do something special to this one. So, this, like same as the other one, power coming in from the other detector. The negative here, coming from that detector. Your yellow, your NO, and your green, your COM. You could do the same thing you did to that detector, but this only goes on your very last one. You want to put, I think it's 10K, yeah, that's what I think I have here. Yeah, 10K, you want a 10K resistor. I have the color pattern of a gold, well, green, I think black, red, normal color, and then gold. Can't remember what it is exactly, but that's what you want here, that 10K resistor. If you don't have that 10K resistor, it probably won't work properly. Now, since this isn't like your proper fire systems, like fire control panels, Nest, like your notifier panels, it will not detect. My keypad there isn't going off right there, saying that I have really any device faults. It does though detect if this resistor here is not working properly. So that's your end of line. Photoelectric. There are 2 wires. This one's wired up on the 4-wire one. Auto rotate. Off. Come on, turn off that. See, 4-wire, others, and say 2, which I think then you just do the positive and negatives. But also, if you want to make it so that nobody could just come up and turn it easily, there's a little plastic tab right there that you break off for tamper lock, and your smoke detector should, when they're working in properly, they both at the beginning for a certain amount of time, both should blink at the same time, and after a while, once it's done initializing, only the green will blink, and if it ever turns solid red, that smoke detector's going off. Now, like I said, this isn't a proper panel, so I guess it's not. I guess it's the same problem on other ones, but this is just for fire. I don't want to have to come here and then unplug this and then turn off this backup battery, because yeah, I do have them plugged into here, and I don't want to do that and then have to reset my time. So what I did here is I ran a smaller wire to here, red and black on one side, the yellow and green on the other, and I ran it up to here and did some connections with these. So now it works. So now all I need to do to reset my smoke detectors is pull away this magnet, and it will turn off all the power to the detectors. Now if I put this back, you might hear a little something from the Sonax there. See? Oh, no, I forgot. You won't, because that smoke detector's out. Let me put this in. Also, I have the tamper lock off on this one as well. Also, just remember, if you want to use wireless for your DSC thing, make sure it's only a wireless DSC one. Other ones do not work. Believe me, I've tried. And now I have this wireless smoke detector just sitting there. And once you have that done, you're gonna want to come to your panel. I have a device fault. Let me see what that is for. Well, that's that's the P station door. So you're gonna want to hit star to code it, star 8. Your installer's code, which is usually 5555. Mine's different. You then want to go over to 001, zone definitions. You can easily get it here. Hit the star. Now you can choose what zone you want to do. I believe my smoke detector's on zone 2. And this is listed as standard fire. So there's also delay fire. That means like the fire alarm will go off after that certain amount of time. And standard fire is it goes off instantly. So you're gonna want to have it on standard fire. If you have a zone 1 set up, same thing there. You're gonna want to go all the way out. Star 8. Sorry, don't go all the way out. Installer's code. Go to zone, I think it's attributes. Go to your zone. Now, bell audible, you want to make sure it's all on yes, or else the bell will not work. Bell steady. Now, this is the thing. It will start off with no, because it's a fire zone. But if you want to make it so that's like continuous and doesn't do, like, for example, beep, 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 and you want it to go beep until you disable it, make sure it says bell steady. Why? You want to make sure that's it. I don't have anything else done for these zone attributes. So there's also another thing that you could do, I think, with this zone. What is it? Oh yeah, you can change your installer's code. You can end this video here. I'm just gonna try and show how you can turn on and off zones. I think that's on these. Schedules are near the 600s. Wireless programs 804. Keypad number. Walk test is another one. Battery settings. Okay, I'm not sure how. I think that's only on the power series. Not sure. Well, have a good day, everybody.